with a chance of thunderstorms. Weather.gov/Tulsa contains additional information. Heat advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. What? Heat index values 105 to 108 degrees this afternoon. Where? Portions of east central, northeast and southeast Oklahoma and northwest and west central Arkansas. When? Until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Impacts. The combination of hot temperatures and high humidity will combine to create a dangerous situation in which heat illnesses are possible. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 119 for portions of Tulsa, Oklahoma, effective this Monday morning and evening from 11:30 a.m. until 6 p.m. Primary threats include a couple tornadoes possible, scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour likely, isolated large hail events to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. Summary clusters of strong to severe thunderstorms will likely develop rapidly northeast across the region this afternoon. Scattered damaging winds are likely and a couple tornadic storms will be possible. The Tornado Watch area is approximately along and 100 statute miles east and west of a line from 55 miles northwest of Tulsa County. Precautionary preparedness actions. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. Persons should be on the lookout for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 119 for portions of Tulsa. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Osage County and east central Oklahoma, southwestern Pawnee County and east central Oklahoma, northwestern Tulsa County and east central Oklahoma until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 7 miles east of Tulsa, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for Tulsa County in Oklahoma until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 2:59 p.m. Central Daylight. National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a damaging tornado near Newcastle. Doppler radar show this tornado moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado emergency for Tulsa. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for Tulsa County in Oklahoma until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 4:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Newcastle. Doppler radar show this tornado moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Tulsa. This tornado might be above the enhanced Fujita scale, making it be an EAS 6 because of its destructive nature. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to football size is expected with this storm. Precautionary preparedness actions. This is an unbelievably extremely dangerous and deadly situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. Motorists should not try to hide under overpasses. Overpasses will not offer any protection from this tornado. If you cannot drive safely away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lay down in a low-lying dike and protect yourself from flying debris. To repeat, a large fatal assuring tornado is on the ground, killing by the second. This is a tornado emergency for Tulsa County in Oklahoma.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Offices of Emergency Management in the following counties: Tulsa, Oklahoma. Mass destruction from the tornado that occurred about an hour ago has left most roads in the Metroplex impassable. Emergency vehicles are currently unable to reach those in need of assistance. In addition, many residents are reportedly trapped in underground shelters. If you need emergency assistance, do not leave your present location. The Texas National Guard is currently en route to assist those in need. Please do not call 911. The telephone lines are busy and need to be left open for official use only. Residents outside of the affected area are asked not to assist victims until it is deemed safe to do so by the National Guard. Thank you and be safe.